guys, my name is Dion Crazy Coupon Cravers. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you for all the people, my old subscribers and my new subscribers, and I'm very blessed that you're here. I couldn't do the station without you guys. Today ended up being nice. It ended up being like almost 70 degrees, and I am so happy. This morning it was cold, and I was working my job, and I was working the window, so I was freezing, but just thank you for tuning in, and just tell me how your weather is, and just tell me, um, ask me a question, or just tell me how you guys are doing. And thank you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you give it a big thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe. We are ending up going to Walgreens. We did, and a little bit of Walmart. Um, these are four for $10. You can mix and match. You can buy the Tide, and then you can buy the Tide Pods. So those are 4 for $10. So I thought that was a good deal. And then these ended up being 2 for $8. There's a $3 digital. You can do it online too, and you get $3 back too. And these are 4 for $8. So it makes it $2, and it makes it $1 a piece. So I think that's a fantastic deal. You can also do garnier for tea. But I chose this, but do not do them both in the same transaction. Otherwise, you won't get the register reward back or the Walgreens cash back. And then I ended up buying toothpaste again. These are 50 cents a piece. They're $4 a piece. There's a $3 digital, and then you get $4 register reward when you check out, so it ends up being $1 or 50 cents a piece. I ended up buying these. These are $3.49, buy one get one free. If you buy, I ended up buying 6 of them, and so 4 of them. And so they were buy one, get one free. But then submitted to ibotta for $4 back. So it makes it 74 cents for each one of them, or $2.49 for each one. So, or for the 4. So I think that is a fantastic deal. So, and then also you can also do the game. These are $5.49 a piece. If you buy 4 of them, you end up getting a $5 register reward back. There's $1 for each one of these. And then you also can do the liquid. You can also buy, here's the bigger bounce. So all this is $5.49. There's $1 digital on each one of these. So I ended up paying $17.99, but then get $5 back, so it was $2.99 for all 4 of those. So like a little over $3 a piece. So that's a good deal, like $3.25. So that's my Walgreens haul. So, and then I ended up buying these. These are on sale they're on regular $4.97 for 9 tabs. But then Ibotta's giving you $4 back, so it makes it 97 cents for this. I think that is a good deal. And then I ended up buying this stem. It's $14.96. I got $10 back from Ibotta, and then I got $10. Checkout $10 from Checkout 51, and then $10 from My Points. You can do Tada, you can do Swag Bucks or whatever. But I ended up getting this, and it ended up making it free and like a $5 moneymaker. I also had a warmer. The warmer is $3.20, and then I ended up getting $2.30 from Ibotta, so it made it 95 cents. I can't find it now. So, but that was my haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. I had a few more, so I'll try to do another video this week. But thank you for tuning in, and thank you for all the continuing prayers for me. Like I said, I still got to get an MRI done, and find out what's going on. They found out I have another aneurysm, so they removed my spleen back in 2014 because I had 10 aneurysms go over a year's time. So, but just pray for me, and just thank you for tuning in. God bless you, and I hope you can score. Bye. If you haven't subscribed, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and comment down below. It helps my station grow. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.